This is your coach Ashish Sehgal, and today we're going to take another step ahead. We're going to talk about a fantastic new model which can accelerate your success like anything. We're going to talk about how can gratitude, the wonderful tool you already have, can help you become immensely successful, a great achiever in your life. It's a very quick, simple, easy to follow method. We have combined the power of gratitude with the tools of Neuro Linguistics, and we are bringing you this today. Believe me, this has helped me and a lot of my clients get the life they want. Here it comes. Listen carefully, watch carefully. Here it comes. I first experienced it a few years ago. I'd worked hard, everything was going well, yet I was facing roadblocks. That is where I knew that I was already practicing gratitude and already practicing all my success methods from NLP. I decided to integrate them. And when I integrated them, I realized that when I step into the future and immerse into my future picture, immerse into my future sounds and my body feelings, and then I step ahead and pay gratitude there, it accelerates my success like anything. It is going to accelerate your success. I know you really want it. Immerse in it. So, think of that one goal you really want to achieve. That one goal you really want that's close to your heart. It could be that you want to be something, or you want to achieve something, or you want to buy something, you want to be in love, you want to be in a great relationship, you want to earn money, anything. You want to have a great health. Yes, all of these goals. Pick any one at a time. Pick any one. Make sure you go through all the 10 steps of well-formed outcomes. You know what are well-formed outcomes. If not, look at my video for well-formed outcomes, or find it on the net. The 10 question formula for well-formed outcomes. Go through it. Make your outcome there. Then step into the future. See what your achieved mind is showing you. Hear what you hear when you have achieved it. Feel that excitement, that satisfaction in your body when you have achieved this. And when you have actually achieved it, immerse into that feeling. Now, then take a moment. Take a moment to pay gratitude. Thank everyone, every situation, every tool, every object, every person, whosoever, whatsoever has helped you achieve this. Immerse into gratitude of the achievement of your goal that you've gotten. And once you've done that, take a deep breath, step out and look. Look with gratitude. Experience it with gratitude. And when you have combined your success immersion with gratitude, you are going to get accelerated towards success of your goal. It is going to accelerate your success. Yes. Experience it. And this is how we utilize gratitude for acceleration in success. Many more videos to come in, and I'm sure you have already subscribed about it. By chance, if you're not, make sure you do it now so that you always get what you really want, your success. Thank you. This is your coach Ashish Sehgal.